Digital comms are one of the UK's leading suppliers of push-to-talk communication and body-worn cameras, specialising in events and stadiums. Digital comms has provided Bradford City with a Hytera two-way radio solution, which enables every key team, including safety stewards, medical responders, and car park attendants, to be connected at a touch of a button. We are here to make sure that your operations run smoothly by connecting all of the relevant people with instant, reliable and secure communications so that together they can ensure the safety of every single person in attendance. With a fan base as big as Bradford City's and a large stadium like Valley Parade, it's important to make sure that supporters, players and officials are safe both inside and outside of the ground. Digital Comms is a proud Bradford-based company and we are delighted to support them as a business and as fans.